Welcome back to Hidden Zaiqa. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect spiced potato parathas in two different unique styles. They are wonderfully crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and absolutely packed with flavor. To start, we need 6 to 8 boiled and peeled potatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, or to your taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of zeera powder, and another teaspoon of cumin powder. Next, add 2 tablespoons of dried methi and a handful of fresh cilantro. I'm using a fork to mash everything together, but you can use whatever tool you prefer. Just make sure all the spices are mixed thoroughly into the potatoes. For our first style, take your kneaded dough and roll out 2 small, equal-sized rotis with your rolling pin. Spread a generous portion of the potato mix onto the first roti, place the second one right on top, and carefully secure all the edges. Gently roll it out into a beautiful 10 to 12 inch paratha. Place it onto a hot pan, let it sear for 10 to 15 seconds, and then flip it over to cook for a few minutes. Spread butter generously on both sides and cook over medium to high heat until it turns a gorgeous golden color, being careful not to burn it. Just look at that perfect crunch on the outside while staying incredibly soft on the inside. My family absolutely loves these parathas, and they take no time at all to make. Now, let's start making our second style. Take a single ball of dough and roll it out into a large 12-inch roti. Then spread the potato mix evenly across the surface. Roll the roti tightly into a log, just like I'm showing you, and cut it into 4 equal pieces. Press each piece straight down and gently roll them out into small rotis. Just like before, place them onto the hot pan, cook for a few seconds, flip them, and add butter to both sides. Fry for a few minutes until both sides are golden brown, and it's ready. So yummy, layered, and perfectly crunchy. If you love these recipes, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the box below to let me know how you liked it and if you tried this recipe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.